This is another important information, that is, let this be a point A. The time required for the body to move from here to here plus the time required by the body to move from here to here, if we add those, then the value would come to be T, capital T, right? So this is one information, and this is a very common sense also. This is another information. For same height, let this be certain height and this be another certain height. Okay, the time required for the body to move from here to here is equal to the time required by the body to move from here to here. Okay, this is another important point. For same height, the time required for body to move from here to here is equal to the time required by the body from here to here. This you have also learned in vertical motion also. Time required by the body to move from a point from the ground to a certain point is equal to the time required by the body to move from that point to the ground. Okay, now we will start the relative motion. Relative motion is of three types: relative displacement, relative velocity, and relative acceleration. Now, relative means with respect to. Basically, considering we said that that relative velocity of A with respect to B is so and so. That is, we say the relative velocity of A with respect to V. We did not it in this way. The with respect to something, after the phrase with respect to the body we name, that is B, is deducted from A. Can you understand? Velocity of A with respect to B, that is VA minus V. With respect to পর যেটা লেখা থাকে সেটা কিন্তু আগেরটা থেকে মাইনাস করতে হয়. ওকে, now with respect to B, generally we consider B to be the reference frame, and we consider B is stationary and A is moving away from B. VA is moving in the velocity of 4 cap plus 3 cap, and VB is moving in the with 5 cap plus 12 cap. Now, how we can say we need to convert this VB as a stationary body? We deduct 5 cap plus 12 cap from this one, so this becomes stationary, right? Rest, and we deduct 5 cap plus 12 cap from VA. Then we get the velocity to be this. Do you understand what I say? What did I say? A একটা velocity move করছে, B আরেকটা velocity নিয়ে move করছে. এবার আমরা চাই A এর velocity with respect to B. তাহলে তার জন্য B ধরে নেব, Bটা স্টেশনারি, আর সেই স্টেশনারি বডির অনুসারে এটা কিভাবে মুভ করছে। তাহলে VB কে একটা velocity আছে VBর, তো সেটাকে স্টেশনারি করার জন্য এইটা দিয়ে মাইনাস করে দেব, 5 cap প্লাস 2 cap দিয়ে VB কে মাইনাস করে দিলাম। মনে মনে মাইনাস করলে তো এটা 0 এসে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু একটাকে তো মাইনাস করলে হবে না, আরেকটাকেও মাইনাস করতে হবে। তো এটাকেও 5 cap প্লাস 12 cap দিয়ে মাইনাস করে দিলাম, তাতে কি হলো এইটা। তাহলে এইটা হচ্ছে ভেলোসিটি, যদি এটা হচ্ছে ভেলোসিটি অফ এ যদি আমরা ধরি বিটা রেস্টে আছে। ওকে, আমি এটা বাংলায় বোঝালাম কারণ এটা সুবিধা হবে। এইটাকে আমরা ধরি ভেলোসিটি অফ এ যখন বি রেস্টে আছে, ধরে নি বি রেস্টে আছে, তাহলে তার এর ভেলোসিটি তাহলে এইটা হবে, কিন্তু বি রেস্টে নেই। দ্যাট মিনস উই আর টেকিং দ্য ভেলোসিটি অফ এ উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু বি, দ্যাট ইজ কনসিডারিং বি টু বি অ্যাট রেস্ট, বাট ইট ইজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি নট. We are considering B to be the reference frame. So we are deducting the velocity of B from A to get the value. So special cases of this relative motion is Riemann problem and riverboat problem. Riemann problem. See this figure. This is Vm, that velocity of man. Man is moving in this direction, and Vr, that is velocity of rain, is downward. Now, when a man moves in a raining season, means when the rain is when they যখন বৃষ্টি পড়ছে তখন when man moves he sees that the rain is falling on him with a angle, with a certain angle, right? So he need to slant that umbrella in that angle so that he does not get wet. Now we modify this diagram. In this direction it's Vm, in this direction this is Vr. We need to find the velocity of rain with respect to man. The velocity of rain with respect to man কি হবে Vr minus Vm. Now how to do subtraction of vector? Reverse the vector and add it, right? So Vm is this direction, minus Vm বলেছে, so minus Vm is in this direction. So minus Vm and Vr's resultant is this Vrm. So to not to get wet, man has to slant the umbrella in this angle. That is, let this angle be theta. Now how to get this theta? We will need a protector. No, it's tan theta is equal to Vm by Vr. Okay, because this theta is equal to this theta, and this is this theta is equal to this theta. Oh yeah, opposite angle, right? This theta is equal to this theta. So tan theta is this by this. That is Vm by Vr. That is same thing as the tan theta is equal to Vm by Vr. At an angle of V by Vr, theta is equal to tan inverse Vm by Vr. The man can slant it and get rid of the rain. Now we know the resultant of Vrm also. When two perpendicular vectors are given, then the result